Ahoy there, me shipmates. How you all doing, guys and girls? You having a good day? Okay, here we go. República Portuguese, 1990. 10 Escudos. So obviously, this is going to want to be sunny side up on the ring, so that goes face down. We shall put the coin into J-Lo. My punch. Bloody J-Lo. I've got some weird subscribers, you know, which I think is great. The weirder the better. Right, let's punch a hole in it. First of all, I need to move a few bits and pieces. Okay, that's good, that's good. Let's go over to Big Bertha. That's from yesterday. Oh, she's leaking like a sieve again. Right, let's raise her up. This is my 20-ton 20-ton hydraulic press. Must admit, I've had a couple of cans today, but I'm not on the drunk side. It takes a few more than a couple of cans to get me going. Is J-Lo going to behave herself? No. Who's a naughty girl then? Yeah, I think some of my subscribers are a bit strange, you know. The guy wanted me to call this J-Lo, and I think it's quite good. Right. That's good. That's good. That's good. We just want to clean this edge up, the inside edge. Now I punch through. We want to clean it up. See, it's a bit rough and ready. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. This just makes sure there's no cracks forming or splits. Otherwise you're going to split your ring. Ah dear. Right. I think that's about done. How's it looking? Yeah, that's feeling good. Feeling sexy. Right. We want one of these. So we're going to go with this face down. Because that's going to be sunny side up. Yeah, that might work. How much we got there? Yeah, that's good. Because if you go all the way through, it ruins the coin when you come to do the first fold. This is my 1-ton arbor press. Right, let's break out Sandy. There she is, looking a bit sad now though. But she still works. That's looking pretty good. Bit for me, bit for you, bit for the girl upstairs. A bit for the girl downstairs. There you go, that's good. Right, let's break out Bernie the fire starter and show this puppy a bit of love. Oh, it's nice to have a nice powerful flame again. If you're new to the channel, you've probably guessed it by now, I'm making a coin ring out of the coin. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, there's a little button bottom right hand corner. Hit that, it costs you nothing. Absolutely nothing. Right, I'm running out of kitchen roll here. Right, have I got a bit here I can use? I don't need much. Then we'll go over to spike. This is a ring stretcher, and yeah, you guessed it, it stretches your ring. Sounds painful, but it's not. You put the kitchen roll between the coin and spike to protect the detail on the inside. Admittedly, you're not going to see it because it's going to be inside, but if it's there, why not keep it, you know? Oh, it's got a bit soft. Have I split it? No, I haven't. Right, let's go to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dies. And this is what reduces it, and it also straightens the walls up. It's a bit cone shaped at the moment. How's that looking? Touch more. Not much though. You don't want to go crazy. She go crazy. Ooh la la, cha cha cha, chica bonita. Oh yeah, that's good. Do we have a lip? Yes, we do. A big lip. It's a big lip, man. Right. I'll break out Christy Burr again. I'll try this thing. I just can't get on with it. Well, it's cheap now. This is about 43 euros. Or dollars, one or the other. Probably dollars. It does save my hand, but on my wrist. Because my wrist doesn't like it at all. Motorcycles, they're great fun, but they can hurt you sometimes. Bad wrist, bad knee, bad shoulder. All thanks to the two-wheeled. I'd never change it. I love them. I think they're getting another bike for next year, to be honest with you. I've had a bike for years, but the roads in Finland are really, really good. I'd like another old British bike. I used to have an A10 650 BSA, 1958. But I'm too old now to sort of be on my knees fixing them all the time. Because you have a bike like that, I mean, you're working on it all the bloody time. But, I don't know. I quite like the new Triumphs that are out. Like the Motor Guzzi V7, I would fancy one of them. Don't know what. Or I'd like to get an old Suzuki GT500 from the 70s. 74, 74, 75. They're easy, two strokes are easy to play with. Right, enough of my yap. That's all cut out. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. She's looking a bit sad again today. And there you go. I'll put up with you, Kate, just this once. This is like Quad Zero steel wool. It doesn't scratch, it just gets the fire scale off. You know the score. That's looking quite good. Yeah, I like it. Right, let's put some polish on it, shall we? You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a few rings in there. They're all sized in EU, but I can adjust the size up or down for you. All I need is your ring size. They make great Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, Father's Day gifts, wedding gifts. What other gifts is there? Mother's Day gifts, birthdays, christenings. I've made wedding bands in the past. There was a video back a month or so ago. I made some wedding bands with this nice Indian couple I met in the summer at my market stall. If you ever come into Helsinki, come and see me. I'm on the open air fish market. It's called the fish market, but it's not there's no fish there anymore. This is just a felt pad, hence the name Felt and John. Right, what we got? Like I've been saying, I do clear coat on my rings, but these ones in my web shop, I do not clear coat them till I've sold one. Because if you wanted this particular ring and you wanted it sized slightly larger or smaller, I'm going to damage the clear coat, so I don't clear coat them until I've sold them. That way you're going to get a lovely ring. Hopefully. Right, there you go, folks. That's pretty damn sexy, isn't it, at the end of the day? At the end of the day it gets dark, you know. What size we got? This is a 60 and a half. I can adjust the size for you. Thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all the bloody buttons. Come on, show me some love. And I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.